Are you tired of scrolling through hundreds of emails just to find the unread ones? Learn how to filter them instantly. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to click to reveal the unread folder and see all your unread emails in seconds. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to want to open up your browser and head over to mail.yahoo.com. Go ahead and sign into your Yahoo Mail account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in, you'll probably see your full inbox staring back at you, which can be a lot to handle if you've got a ton of messages sitting there. But don't worry, we're about to clean that up. Now, here's the thing. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a little icon that looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. That's the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the sidebar where all your folders and categories live. It's your gateway to organizing everything. Once the menu is open, you'll see a list of things like your inbox, sent folder, drafts, and so on. And in the middle of all that, you're going to want to look for the word unread. It should be listed right there with the other folders and categories. I've tested this countless times and it's always in the same spot, so you won't have to go hunting for it. Go ahead and click on Unread. As soon as you do, Yahoo Mail will do all the heavy lifting for you. The screen will update and you'll see nothing but your unread messages. Every email you haven't opened yet will be right there in front of you, no scrolling through pages of old stuff. This might take a moment to process if you have a lot of emails, but it usually happens pretty fast. Now you can take your time reviewing those unread messages. You can read them, reply, archive them, or mark them as read. Whatever you need to do, it's all right there in one tidy list. And that's it. You're done. From a cluttered inbox to just the messages that matter, all in a few clicks. Honestly, this is one of those small tricks that makes a huge difference in how you manage your email every day. The next time your inbox feels overwhelming, just remember that unread folder is your best friend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.